Okay, so today we're going to be reviewing a C420D Dash camera sent to me by APEMAN. Let's open this box up. Very nice packaging. This little note. Okay, you can also get a gift if you share your experience. There's the user manual right here, pretty self-explanatory. And here's the main camera right here. Let's turn this on. There you go, it works. Okay, let's set that aside. Okay, we got the accessories right here. So probably the suction cup, charging cable. Okay, so we have this thing for, I think that's for the memory card. It's the USB charger. We got the suction cup itself and the charger for the car. Okay. And let's see. Okay, we got the rear camera in here. This thing is tiny. Look at it. We got this, 2 screws. You seem to mount it onto your car in the back. Is there not a suction cup? I guess not. I never had one of these before, the rear view cameras. So I assume you just place it in the back somewhere. In the back of your car. Yeah, it's pretty cool. But yeah, other than that, I think it's pretty good packaging, and I'm excited to actually put this in my car and start driving with it. So yeah.
Wait, you haven't seen the best part yet. Here are some amazing offers and specials available for one time only. You can't afford to miss it.